Hi everyone, today I am going to be doing another mystery bag unbagging video with you all, and I have my bag right here. So this is my bag. There's Luna. She may join me for the first bit. We will see how it goes. And yeah, so let's just jump right in. I love doing these. They're so much fun, and you never know what I'm gonna find in this bag of stuff. Before we get started, that if you have not seen this video before, I normally put them in different categories, whatever I pull out. Either buy, sell, trade, redonate, keep for myself, or sell on Poshmark or things like that. First thing I'm pulling out of here is a very typical flipped pocket brand. I feel like this happens to me all the time with this brand. Is Lucky Brand, and these are a size 6'28", so these will not fit me. I do like these jeans when they do fit me. These are the mid-rise crop Ava. It just has that weird pocket flip issue that all my Lucky Brand jeans have. Check it out. I don't know, does Lucky Brand jeans sell online? Like, I may look this one up to see if this is something I can sell on Poshmark. It's a hoodie. It's a zip up, so let's see if I can zip it up. Oh, Quicksilver. That's what this says, Quicksilver. So that's what it says there. And there is the hoodie. It's got some pockets. And I don't know if this would sell or not. This might be more of a buy, sell, trade type of item. Oh, she's very interested in this. Oh, and so am I. This is North Face. Really pretty color. Oh, it's looking kind of dirty, but I may clean it and see if that comes out. So I feel like this would be a good one to possibly resell. I've told you about it, but like I didn't really show it to you. So here is the North Face really pretty blue jacket, girl size extra large. I feel like someone who's a small, extra small could probably wear this too. But it definitely needs to be cleaned. Oh, is this another North Face? This is another North Face. This is a size extra small women. So likely this person wore either an extra small women's or an extra large girls. So that just tells you, you know, that either can be worn by either. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of like more of a purple, this one is. She's gonna have to go away because she's terrorizing my bag and eating things. Hey, Luna, are you misbehaving? Are you misbehaving over here? Are you misbehaving? Luna, what are you doing? Can't eat that. It's not a toy. No. Hey, Luna, I'm filming you. I'm catching this all on camera. I'm showing how destructive you are being with my bag. She's like all the way in there. Oh, she found something. All right, I gotta put her away. I'll be right back. Literally have clothes thrown all over the room. So I'm gonna pick them up real quick without kind of looking at them and putting them back in the bag so that we may continue. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is J. Jill, size small. And this is like a denim chambray dress, but it's really cute and it's got pockets. Like I could totally see like somebody wearing something underneath and then this on top to make it more fall. Okay, here is a swimsuit. This is just Merona, so I believe that is Target, and it actually looks pretty clean. So yeah, so this is actually really cute. It's a nice like army green color. It's got these scallop details, this little tie bow. It's got some ruching side. It's a one piece. And it also has a little bit of a cutout in the back. That is really cute. I'm not sure what size it is. Size medium. So I may try this on. This is from Universal Thread. It is a size small and it looks like an open front knit cream cardigan. This is what Luna was really interested in the bag. This is Cleo. Oh, 100% silk. Never heard of this brand. Maybe it's vintage. I don't really know, but it's this like corally red tank. This one I think the print is really cool. This is from Who What Wear, and it's kind of got this fringy mesh detailing around the neckline. It is black with these like orange florals, so that I might try. That's a size medium. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, so this is my favorite color, blue. This is from Anne Klein, and it is a blazer. Size small. I may have to try that on. I have a soft spot for this color. Okay, here is another bathing suit bottom. Looks like, oh, this one's Nui Tag. This is from Cupshe. This is a size medium. Looks like that. Like a high waist kind of a thing. That logo is something, but I can't remember what. So I'm not sure what size this is, but it's just bottoms, and it's got this little cutout on the side. These are actually really cute. I'm gonna try those on. I have no idea what sizes are. I would wash it first. This is from Lolly. They look like these like Bermuda shorts, like gray Bermuda shorts. Lolly. Oh, you can't see that. You see it on the tag? Barely. Oh, you know what? I am noticing, I don't know if this is intentional or not, but there are definitely a lot of wear right here. So I'm actually going to just redonate this. Next piece is a pair of leggings, size medium. I have no idea what this brand is. But, oh, it does have this like crisscrossy thing, like waist that I feel like a lot of people like. It does have pockets. Oh, this is Barefoot Dreams. This is a small medium, and it looks like an open front drape kind of cardigan, long sleeve, black, so soft. Oh my gosh, insanely soft. I may have to try that. If for some reason I don't like the super soft cozy cardigan, then I will probably actually look that one up to resell. Right, so we have some white jeans here that I am just zipping up. They are by Articles of Society. Okay, they are white, so I am looking for stains. Oh, it does look like there's a bit of puckering. I don't know if you're gonna see that. In the crotch area. I think I'm gonna have to redonate those, which is kind of a bummer. We have some J. Jill, size small leggings. These are like a dusty blue, kind of like a deep dusty blue kind of color. Here's another one, size small. This is kind of like a brownish kind of color, like brown tanny kind of color. Same thing, I think. So I don't know, if I look them up, I guess I could lot them together, or again, just take them to buy sell trade. Oh, this is J. Jill as well, but it's cursive. Does that mean it's newer or older? I don't know, but it's a small petite. Oh, and these are like capri leggings, so they don't go all the way down. J. Jill I feel like is very hit or miss as far as reselling. Oh, here's another one, size small, capri blue, kind of dusty color. I think I got somebody's like full-on collection here. Alright, what is this? This is Athleta, size small. Oh, this is cute. This is like a green kind of burnout like tank, size small. I may try that on. I don't know if something like this would resell for much though, because it is just a tank, so if it doesn't fit me, then maybe I'll take it to buy sell trade. It's very pretty blue. It has a really pretty embroidery on it. Wow, I don't even think I'm showing you right. What is this? Silver Lake. Oh, this is 100% pure silk. Like, I don't even think this is doing it justice. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Like, the embroidery is stunning. There are a couple pulls. There's a couple of stain marks. Like a long robe kind of thing. And it does have a belt. Oh, this is so cool. I may have to try this one on. I don't really know how to clean silk properly, so if you have any suggestions, let me know, especially since this has like delicate embroidery on it as well. Gorgeous. Wow. that's stunning. The last item in the bag, my bag is empty, I'm not going to show you because it just said there's dead bug bits in it. But this is a Lauren Ralph Lauren, like a white pair of shorts. And these are size 4 petite. So not gonna fit me, but very nice quality actually. Like insanely nice quality. So I don't know, maybe I'll look these up to resell. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. So I like go through everything. I currently have 4 items in my like possibly to sell it to Poshmark pile. I have my cup sheet, brand new Bathing Suit bottoms I don't know what I'm doing with. I have all of these J. Jill things that I'm not sure 100% where I'm going to categorize those yet. I have 2 items I'm redonating. I have the Quicksilver jacket, definitely for buy sell trade, and I've got quite a stack to try on for myself. I feel like that somewhat happens more often than not, but when I end up trying them on, I usually don't keep very many pieces, like maybe 5 max. So I know that those won't all get kept. If you want to see a try on video, let me know. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna do it or not, but we will see. Stay tuned whether that ends up happening or not. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and had fun like pulling things out of a bag randomly and just seeing what kind of stuff we could find. And yeah, I enjoy them, so I hope you do too, and I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Take care everyone. Bye.